Oh, this Uha soup is enticing. The aroma in my kitchen is on another level, you guys. Did I tell you guys that this is my favorite soup? Oh, Uha soup is one of my favorites. If you don't know now. So guys, I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Then the soup is ready. Okay guys, these are the ingredients we're gonna be using for this Uha soup. Okay, over here is our snail. I have some onion. We have groundnuts, uziza, salt, some Maggi cubes and not cube, crayfish, ukpo, scotch bonnet, pepper, stockfish. This is our palm oil, goat meat. So guys, yeah, that is all we're going to be using for this recipe. So let's get started. So in a pot, we pour in our goat meat. So guys, this has been cooking for the past 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so now the next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna throw in our stock fish and the snail. Okay, add some crayfish, seasoning cubes. So I'm gonna add the scotch bonnet pepper, add some salt. I'll now go ahead and add more water to this. I will add red oil. I'll go ahead and stir it. I will add the uziza leaf. Then I'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook. Okay guys, this has been cooking for the past 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Ooh. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and pour in the groundnut. I'm so sorry for that. So I'll give it a stir. I will also add the ukpo for thickening. and I'll give it a stir. So now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, I will leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, share the video. Okay guys, it's not up to 15 minutes yet, it's 5 minutes. Okay, so now I want to add our Uha leaf so that everything will cook together. You guys, look at that. Oh my god, this Uha soup is enticing. The aroma in my kitchen is on another level. You guys, did I tell you guys that this is my favorite soup? Oh, Uha soup is one of my favorites. If you don't know now. So guys, I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Then the soup is ready. Okay guys, let's check our soup. You guys, look at that. Wow, what a sumptuous Uha soup. Oh my god, you guys, bring your plate. So our soup is ready. It is ready. Come with gari, apple, loi. Come on, let's enjoy this soup together. Our Uha soup is ready, you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share our video. We appreciate you all for all your love and your support. See you in the next one. Bye.